Monitor.
Oh, mono?
Mm-hmm.
They all look the same.
I believe these are U.S.
Canned Canadian.
Well, I don't know.
Blue. Might be dope.
Might have been Dover, yeah. I don't know.
We gotta go to
15.
Isn't there another building with these same fixtures?
I'd have to. There's one in Chicago that has them that I know of, but
I mean, I thought there was one other one in Denver, but
yeah, I don't know about that.
I'm not sure. I like them. They're actually pretty nice. Similar to M series
Yeah, I think they're neat fixtures.
from Kodak.
I like these elevators. I actually kind of like these cabs.
These are the same. What type of key switches are those?
These are a little slow for what they are, though.
Yeah.
That's open.
Oh, it's just a
Push to test the emergency light.
It works.
It does. There's the key switches
Worn out.
and a sticker. Let's get the down chime. We'll ride down.
Oh, I remember this building now. I remember.
Hit the lowest level for us, I believe the basement.
Yeah. Are you ending there, Nick?
Yeah.
It's funny, it's just open. It's funny how many places just open.
Right?
Yeah. I know I filmed these a while ago too. I'm not doing any new videos right now.
I get you.
So. No, I remember this one now. And a bit about the building too, actually.
Takes a while to level.
It's like hydraulic level.
Anyway. Guess this is where the old drop key was. There goes that elevator. And that's it.